To change photo background to white in Canva, let's click on this plus sign and come into our photo editor here. You want to bring in the photo you want to change the background to white. I'll click on upload and I'll bring in my photo. My photo has opened up in this place, so I'm going to go to BG remover and remove the background, and my photo is now without a background. For me to be able to add white color, I'm going to go into create design here, and you see now my image is without a background, but the default background color in Canva for designs is white. I will leave it at that and click on my image, go back to position and center, position it to the middle. Now I have this all set. I'm going to click on the share, download, and you can download in the highest resolution by taking the slider up and you click on download.